Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to discuss about JDBC search part using Eclipse. Okay, so I have already opened the Eclipse ID. So here first I am going to go to the file, new Java project. Here I am going to write purchase search. Purchase. Search. Right. Click next. Finish. This is your project name. Now I am going to go to select the SRC, new. Here we can get others, application window. Inside the Windows Builder, we have a application window. Click next. Here I am going to here we have search. Right. This is your default design. Okay. Now here first what I am going to do is here I am going to make the search part. So I have already created the database which name is bill. Inside the bill database we have a purchase table. I just for the example purpose I have created the database name. Okay, so the table name I have created as purchase. I created the table name purchase. We have a three fields, ID, name and balance. Now I am going to insert some data. So purchase number I am entering manually. So 001, name of the person John, balance, the purchase balance should be 5,000, 5 lakhs. E002, the name as a Peter, balance should be 3 lakhs. E003, James, 1 lakh. Go. Right. Now we have entered, insert some data. Right. So you have insert some data. Now we will be able to find the balance of the person. Right. So let's back to our NetBeans. Now here we have to simply we have to design the form. So let's drag one panel. So if you here first you are what you are going to do is select your frame, right click, layout, select as absolute layout, then only it will be allow you to drag the all the controllers. Okay, so select the panel, this one. Here it will be able to draw. In NetBeans we don't have to set like this the layout and everything. Okay, here we should generate the layout, right? So in Eclipse, right? So this is the find button, right? Now you have to simply you have to name it here as, so drag one label. Here we have to go to the structure. Here we have to go to the text, we have to change it as here. Purchase find. Purchase fine. Font I am going to select the font property, width bold 16, click OK. If you want to increase a little bit bigger, 20. Now we need to big font we need. Now here first what I am going to change the font. This one, click OK, right. Right. It's look great. Okay. Right. Now here first after that what I am going to do is here select this one inside the panel, right click. Set layout, absolute layout. Here I am going to drag the our components, right? First I am going to drag the this one should be our we have to enter the relevant bill number. So we have to write bill number, sorry, If there is anything wrong, you just control plus Z, so it will be undo. So here, go here, we have to change the text name here as bill number. You have to change this bill number. Press enter key. It's a bill number. So we have to change the font size as with bold 14. Click OK. Right, now here first what I am going to do is here you have to drag the text fields. Right, now here I need one I need two labels. Sorry, you have to delete this one label. You have this here, we have to name here as we have to give the name here, text name, bill number, here name. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be balance, account order balance. Select this both, hold on the Control key down and go to the structure. Font, we have to change this as bold 15. Click OK. Right, now here first what I am going to do is here drag two text fields. Control C to copy, Control V to paste again. This one, select this one. Here we have to do the thing is here txt name. This one should be txt balance. Percentage. Right. Now we have changed the name here successfully. This one should be txt b number. B number means bill number. Txt b number. So find. Right, that's it. Now let's run and check we successfully designed the form. Now let's select save all, run the application, right click, you have to run as Java application. You can check here, it will be, you can get the nice user interface here. You will be able to enter the bill number, click find button, you will be able to find the name of the purchase holder and the balance, right, the vendor name and balance, right. So what I did here is, so first I have to, first you have, in order to connect NetBeans and Eclipse and MySQL, you need to download the appropriate driver. So how to download the appropriate driver? So what you are going to do is here, you go to the respective website and you have to download it. I already explained how to download the driver in my previous Eclipse videos. Don't you are not watch my previous Eclipse video. I gave the video description below. You just go through them and you will be follow the steps, right. So now select this one. I have to import it in my project, right. I already downloaded. So go to the properties. Here you have to write Java path. Here we have to write we have imported them. Add the external jar. So you have to get them. Java already downloaded. So you have to get them. MySQL drive. Sorry. Okay, this one. So jar files. These two jar files we needed. Okay, or download the control key down and select both, click open, apply and close. Now it will be closed. Okay, now your jar will be there, right. You will be able to find jar system library, you will be able to find it. Okay, that's no problem, right. Now you successfully we link the jar files, right. Now you will be able to write the connection and everything. So let's go to the source. Okay, source, this is your full design. Now I am going to connect the form, right? So without wasting the time to write this one, I already written, so I just go here. Right, I just get this one. It take too much of time to complete the project if I written from the beginning. So this is your form design. So here I am going to create our one method, right? Public void connect, right? This is the method where you can connect the database, right? So the connection method is starting here, closing here. Inside the method we have to write the try and catch block, right? This is like a try and catch block we have written. So here if there any error, you have to write aex.print trace to find error, right? The same thing you have to do here as well, right? Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here we have to create the first we have to implement the namespace of SQL. So here you have to implement the SQL namespace, import java dot SQL, right? If it is all, mean all the SQL classes are available in the stock, right? So here we have to write connection object. You have to write a connection object con prepare statement object PST, right? Now you have to write here connection object. This is the path where we connect the database. So inside the localhost we have a database which name is bill. So you have to write the provide the database name bill. Okay, here you can see here it's a bill, it's a database name bill. Okay, you can see here bill is a database name, table which name is purchase is a table name. Okay, now here first when the page is loaded we have to call this method. So Control C to copy, we have to put into this is the constructor of the class. Okay, what is the name, what is the meaning of constructor? The same name the method should be there which is the constructor. When the constructor is loaded, all the form values should be loaded. So inside the constructor the initialize means all the label, text space, all things design should be loaded when the constructor is initialized. Along with we have to load the connection as well. So here we have to put the connection method inside the constructor. You have to call the connection method inside the constructor. You have to do the following stuff, right? Then this is the MySQL registration. This is the path, okay, where you connect the database, right? Localhost bill which is a name of the database, root is a user credential, root is a username, password is blank, right? Now what I am going to do is here go to the design. This is the find button, right click, event action perform. Inside here we have to write the code. So simply we have to write the code, right? So we already have written simple code, we have to change it, right? Now don't worry about, I will explain it. Now here we have to write the prepare statement object. We have to create the prepare statement object here, this one. We have to create the prepare statement object here. PST, right? We have to do the PST object. Okay, the prepare statement object. PST connection prepare statement, right? Now here we have to write, but error here. The bracket is a problem, right? Now here it's a prepare statement object we have to create it. We have to, in order to write the query. Connection is the database connection. This is a database connection. This is the prepare statement which we help you to return the query. So select all from, what's the table name I am going to write? Purchase is a table name. These are the fields, right? So we have to write name and balance. These are the two fields are there. From which table? Purchase table. From where? ID. ID means bill number, right? So what is the bill number you are entered on the text box, text field? So we have to write here string bill number equal txt b number dot get text. This bill number we have to put it here. So what I am going to do is here, you don't need this one, we have to the prepare statement object, we have to call it here as well, right? Now what I am did here is this bill number. Here what I did so far is when the person enter the bill number on this text field and click find button, it's coming here. This is the txt bill number, mean that the particular text box field name, what the bill number you entered here, pass into the relevant variables. After that you have to write the search query, select name balance from the purchase table, where id, what's the id you are typing on this text field, you are passing here. It goes to the parameter. Here the relevant data should be loaded here. Okay, so after loaded you have to write the result set object. So result set of the object rs1 result set rs1. Here is prepare statement, you have to call it here. Right. After that, if the result is, if the record not found, we have to show the error. So we have to show the error here. If the record is not found, we will be show the error. So it should be import. Okay, here. But the error mean we have to jpan. We have to write the namespace. Okay, import jar. It is inside the string. We have a j option. Okay, instead of writing this one, is all confusing someone. So if you have put the asterisk, it's not confusing. All the swing applications are in this class asterisk. Here you never get the error. Okay, so that's the thing we have to do. After that, what I did here is we have loaded all the data and pass into the relevant text fields. So what are the text fields we have passed it? Name and balance, right? So what is the name of this one? Select this one. If you are not remember, go to the structure, txt name, select the balance, you go just go to the variable here, txt balance, right? So here txt name, txt balance. So it's a name rs1 sql, right? Here we have to do the things for its error. The problem is here, select this one. Here it asking to surround on with the try and catch. That's the error. Okay, it's in Eclipse or NetBeans, it automatically generates the try and catch. Okay, so you no need to write try and catch. Right now the error go away. That's the problem. Okay, what's the name? What is the? It's loaded. 1 mean name, 2 mean balance. It's coming like this. It's passing to the relevant variables here. This data loaded and passing to the relevant variables. These values we are passing to the relevant text fields. txt name we are passing this name into here. Trim function will be trimming. This balance should be here. The same thing here. Very simple. Okay, this very simple things we done. Okay. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now let's execute the program. Right. Now you enter the bell number 0001. Click find. Here John and 5000. You can see here 0001 John 5 lakhs. If it is 0002, if it is 004, here bill number not found. Okay, bill number not found, right? Bill number not found means we have to all the field should be clear. Okay, so what happen is here we have to clear. If it is not found, account number, if it is there anything else we have to clear. So the two text fields we have to put it here, and we have to change this one as a this clear. We have to put in Java like this. After clear, we have to focus the cursor into the txt bill number dot request focus. Right. Can check here. 0003. Okay. 2 1. Okay, it's working perfectly well. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.